In this tutorial, we'll show you how to drain water off your winter cover using a Water Trends Cover Saver manual pump. First, connect the provided clear hose to the Cover Saver base at one end. We recommend using hot water to soften the ends and make the attachment easier. Secure the hose with the provided hose clamp using a flathead screwdriver. Place the cover saver on top of the winter cover. You can use a telescopic pole to help position it as close to the middle of the pool as possible. Hang the clear hose over the side of the pool. Connect the provided pump to the opposite end of the clear hose and squeeze the pump until water starts to flow. Make sure your siphon pump is positioned lower than the cover saver base, otherwise water won't drain. If you want the water to flow further away from the pool, lay out a garden hose in the direction of where you want the water to drain. Use the provided garden hose attachment where the siphon pump was connected and connect your garden hose. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other pool maintenance videos from The Great Escape. See you next time.